A very good morning to all. We have read chapter 4, Sentosa Island in the previous online class. Today in this online class, we will do some activities and question answers. Yes, question first. Respond and reflect. Provide the information in the blanks. First, places Sheetal saw in Singapore. Answer is Malian, Mustafa, Mall, Little India, Sentosa Island. Question number second, places Sheetal has seen so far in Sentosa Island. Answer is underwater world, dolphin lagoon and duck boat tour. B. Write T for true and F for false statements in the given boxes. First, Sheetal lives in Delhi. True. She ate in the supermarket. False. She has bought a gift for her friend. True. She travelled in a boat through Sentosa Island. False. She enjoyed walking through the tunnel. True. She will be on a vacation for 15 days. True. So, Sheetal describes a few things that the dolphins in the dolphin lagoon could do. Read the following sentences, cross out the wrong statements and tick the correct ones. The dolphins obeyed every order of their master. Right. The dolphins jumped very high in the water. Right. The dolphins fought with one another. Cross. The dolphins caught colorful balls. Right. The dolphins spitted on the onlookers. Cross. The dolphins made funny shrill noises. Right. One dolphin even jumped through a fire ring. Cross. Do. Shouldn't the dolphins be left free in the sea? What is your opinion and why? Yes, they should be left free. Perhaps they will enjoy more with their family. We should not keep animals bounded. Learn new words. Fill in the crossword puzzle with the help of the hints. The words are from the story. One is done for you. Across. Journey. It means trip. T-R-I-P. Wonderful. It means second. R-A-M-A-Z-I-N-G. Third. A kind of tortoise. Third. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Now down. Related to the sea. Fourth. Related to the sea. M-A-R-I-N-E. Marine. Number 5th, a sea animal that looks like a fish. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. A kind of fish which is long and thin. Number 6, E-E-L. Eel. Make sentences with any 3 words you have written in the crossword puzzle and write them in your notebook. Look at the following sentences. I tried to touch an eel through the glass top. This trip was interesting. Now compare these sentences with the sentences given below. The child played with the top for an hour. The woman tripped out over the pestle and fell down. Now, in the sentences given above, जो ऊपर आपके sentence दिए गए हैं, इनमें the words top and trip have been used with 2 meanings. Top in sentence means the glass top. It means the surface. But top in sentence C, this top meaning is a toy. Similarly, first trip in sentence B, this trip, a journey, whereas tripped in sentence means stumble over. Such words which have same spellings but different meanings are called heteronyms or homographs. कुछ ऐसे वर्ड जिनकी स्पेलिंग सेम है बट लेकिन उनकी मीनिंग्स डिफरेंट है, उन्हें हेट्रोनिम्स या होमोग्राफ्स कहा जाता है. Choose the right word from the first sentence and fill it in the blanks in the second sentence. One is done for you. The bank manager was very tired. He went to the river bank to relax. Second, this object belongs to me. Why do you object to my taking it? I am not going to tear your book into pieces. Why are you in tears? Fourth, we are working on this project. We have projected an amount of 3 lakhs for this. The participants stood in a row for the competition, but soon they got into a row over the rules of the game. The wind has become wild. Let's wind up the meetings. Learn the language, adverbs and articles. What are adverbs? Sometimes we add ly to a word to tell more about an action word verb. जो हमारा एक्शन वर्ड है, जो वर्ब कहलाता है, उसके अंदर उसको और भी ज्यादा डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हम कुछ शब्दों के बाद लास्ट में ly यूज करते हैं, और या फिर अ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड, या फिर किसी वर्ड शब्द को ज्यादा डिस्क्राइब करना ही हमारा जो विशेषण होता है, उसको और अधिक डिस्क्राइब करना हमारा एडवर्ब कहलाता है. एडवर्ब मीन्स क्रिया विशेषण. इट आंसर्स द क्वेश्चंस हाउ. इससे इस प्रश्न का उत्तर मिलता है कैसे. सच ए वर्ड इज कॉल्ड एन एडवर्ब. बी क्वाइट, सिट. बी क्वाइट, शांत रहो. सिट, बैठो. कैसे बैठो? क्वाइटली, शांति से. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. आई विल डू दिस वर्क हैप्पीली. हैप्पी विल बी चेंज इनटू हैप्पीली. इट मीन्स हैप्पीली इज द एडवर्ब. Form adverbs from the highlighted words in the given sentences. Write those words in the blanks. One is done for you. My sister played happy in the garden. Happy, happily. My neighbor talks to me. Warm, warmly. The dog looked hungry at the bone. Hungry, hungrily. The cat lifted the kitten carefully. Careful, carefully. Susan ran quick towards her school bus. Quick, quickly. Next, Grandpa laughed loud at my joke. Loud, loudly. Close the lid. Tight, tight, tightly. Now you will see these words and the end of the words ly. So these are called adverbs. When we add ly to a word to tell more about an action word, it is called adverb. Articles. Articles means use of a, an or the. You already know about the articles a and an and their use. For example, a book, an egg. The is used before the names of famous ships, rivers, music instruments and religious books. So, just see an example that Titanic was a huge ship. Titanic is the name of a particular name, specific name. So you will write here before this word the. The Thames flows through London. The Quran is a sacred book. Quran is the name of a holy book. So we will use the before the name of religious books. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. Taj Mahal is a historical monument. So we will write here the before this monument. Now complete the following passage by using a, an or the wherever required. Once upon a time there lived a magician on the banks of the Gangas. The magician could change a human being into an animal. So the people of his village were afraid of him. The magician used magical tricks to entertain people, not to harm them. One day, the king called for him. The magician was very scared, but the king did not harm him. He asked him to show magic in the court and gave him an award. Today, your chapter is complete and we will meet again in the next online class. Bye bye.